The Tesla Cybertruck will be an insurance and repair nightmare. The Cybertruck has a 3mm thick stainless steel. It's silly to expect that a standard paintless dent removal guy could use their tools to hammer out any dents. It takes a lot of labor to ensure the body panels remain straight and usable. Unlike normal car steel body panels, you can't hide visually unappealing repairs behind body filler and paint since the trucks are unpainted. So every repair has to be pitch perfect, which isn't easy, and, more crucially, very time-consuming. Replacing panels rather than repairing could open up a new can of worms. Tesla owners are already experiencing with their insurance companies long waits for repair times and high repair costs, even before Tesla's controversial choice to go with stainless steel panels.